to redeem a code on Steam. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to redeem a code on Steam. So first thing, just head over to your Steam application and make sure you have logged into your account. And now you can see at the top there is a games option. Just tap on this and there are two ways where you can actually redeem a code on Steam. So if you already have an money available or payment available in your Steam wallet, then you can simply click on the second option, that is redeem a Steam wallet code. And if you have a production activation code, then you can simply choose the first option, that is activate a product Steam. So in this example I'll click on this first option over here. So once you get on this screen, you can simply scroll all the way down and simply agree. You can read it if you want, and from over here what you need to do is just enter your product code over here. By entering your code, you will be registering your product with Steam and adding it to your library. So you can also enter a product code distributed with retail, CD, DVD or other Steam product. And as you can see, here are example product code. So if you have any games which you want to purchase, and if you have product code of the games, you can simply paste it over here and click on confirm. And once you do all of that, and once you fill all of that, you can simply click on confirm. And if your product key is correct, you can easily get your product activity just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.